Step 1. Prep the chicken.
Season chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and garlic powder on both sides.
Step 2. Sear the chicken.
Heat oil in a skillet and sear the chicken on both sides until golden.
Step 3. Make the garlic butter.
Add butter, minced garlic, and Italian seasoning to the pan.
Step 4. Simmer.
Reduce heat and cook until the chicken is fully cooked through.
Step 5. Add lemon.
Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the top for brightness.
Step 6. Serve.
Serve with rice, pasta, or veggies and spoon extra sauce over the top.
Ingredients: garlic butter chicken.
You'll need 2 boneless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 lemon for squeezing over at the end.
Step 1. Prep ingredients.
Use cold cooked rice and chop your veggies, carrots, peas, onions, or anything you like.
Step 2. Cook the veggies.
Heat oil in a pan and sauté the vegetables until softened.
Step 3. Add the rice.
Add the cold rice to the pan and break up any clumps.
Step 4. Add sauce.
Stir in soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, and a pinch of salt.
Step 5. Add egg.
Push the rice aside, scramble an egg in the pan, then mix it all together.
Step 6. Serve.
Top with green onions or chili flakes and serve hot.
Ingredients: veggie fried rice.
You'll need 2 cups cold cooked rice, 1 cup mixed vegetables, peas, carrots, corn, etc., 2 tablespoons oil, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 egg, 2 green onions, sliced, optional, 2 cloves garlic, minced, salt and pepper to taste.
Step 1. Cook the pasta.
Boil pasta according to package directions until al dente.
Step 2. Sauté mushrooms.
Cook sliced mushrooms in butter or oil until browned.
Step 3. Add garlic.
Add minced garlic and cook for 1 minute until fragrant.
Step 4. Make the sauce.
Stir in cream, Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Simmer until thickened.
Step 5. Add pasta.
Add the cooked pasta to the sauce and toss to coat.
Step 6. Serve.
Serve warm with extra Parmesan and black pepper.
Ingredients: creamy mushroom pasta.
You'll need 8 ounces pasta, fettuccine, penne, or your choice, 2 tablespoons butter or olive oil, 8 ounces mushrooms sliced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup heavy cream or half and half, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish, optional.
Step 1. Press the tofu.
Press firm tofu for 10-15 minutes to remove excess moisture.
Step 2. Cube the tofu.
Cut the tofu into bite-sized cubes.
Step 3. Season.
Toss the tofu with soy sauce, garlic powder, paprika, and a drizzle of oil.
Step 4. Air fry.
Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12-15 minutes, shaking halfway through.
Step 5. Sauce it.
Toss the crispy tofu in sweet chili sauce, BBQ, or buffalo sauce.
Step 6. Serve.
Serve as a snack or add to bowls, salads, and wraps.
And ingredients: air fryer tofu bites.
You'll need 14 ounces firm or extra firm tofu, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, pinch of salt and pepper, 1/4 cup sauce for tossing, sweet chili, BBQ, or buffalo optional.
Step 1. Sauté onions.
Cook diced onions in oil until softened.
Step 2. Add garlic.
Add minced garlic and cook for 1 minute.
Step 3. Add beans and tomatoes.
Stir in kidney beans, black beans, and canned crushed tomatoes.
Step 4. Add seasoning.
Add chili powder, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper.
Step 5. Add broth.
Pour in vegetable broth or water and stir well.
Step 6. Simmer.
Reduce heat and let the chili simmer for 15-20 minutes.
Step 7. Serve.
Serve hot with cheese, sour cream, or green onions.
Ingredients: 1 pot chili.
You'll need 1 tablespoon oil, 1 medium onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can, 15 ounces, kidney beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can, 15 ounces, black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 2 cups vegetable broth or water, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked or sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper.
Step 1. Cook the rice.
Prepare white or brown rice according to package directions.
Step 2. Heat beans.
Warm black beans or pinto beans with cumin and garlic.
Step 3. Add protein.
Use chicken, tofu, beef, or skip for vegetarian.
Step 4. Add veggies.
Top with corn, tomatoes, onions, lettuce, or peppers.
Step 5. Add toppings.
Salsa, cheese, lime, cilantro, or sour cream all work great.
Step 6. Serve.
Layer everything into a bowl and enjoy.
Ingredients. The Burrito Bowls.
You'll need 2 cups cooked white or brown rice, 1 can, 15 ounces, black beans or pinto beans drained and rinsed, 1 cup corn kernels, fresh, canned, or frozen, 2 cups cooked protein, chicken, tofu, beef, or plant-based crumbles, 1 cup chopped veggies, tomatoes, onions, lettuce, peppers, salsa, cheese, sour cream, and lime wedges for topping, fresh cilantro, optional.
Step 1. Prep the salmon.
Season salmon fillets with salt, pepper, and lemon pepper seasoning.
Step 2. Add butter.
Dot the salmon with small pieces of butter.
Step 3. Add lemon slices.
Place thin slices of lemon on top of the fillets.
Step 4. Bake.
Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12-15 minutes until flaky.
Step 5. Add fresh lemon.
Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the salmon after baking.
Step 6. Serve.
Serve with rice, potatoes, or vegetables.
Ingredients. Lemon pepper salmon.
You'll need 2 salmon fillets, about 5-6 ounces each, 1 tablespoon olive oil or 2 tablespoons butter, 1 teaspoon lemon pepper seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 lemon, sliced, plus extra wedges for serving.
Step 1. Add pasta.
Place uncooked pasta into a pot with water or broth.
Step 2. Simmer.
Cook until the pasta absorbs most of the liquid.
Step 3. Add milk.
Pour in milk and stir over low heat.
Step 4. Add cheese.
Stir in cheddar cheese until melted and creamy.
Step 5. Season.
Add salt, pepper, and paprika to taste.
Step 6. Serve.
Serve warm and creamy.
Ingredients. 1 pot mac and cheese.
You'll need 2 cups dry, elbow macaroni or similar pasta, 2.5 cups water or broth, 1 cup milk, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, optional.
Step 1. Prep chicken.
Slice chicken thinly and season with salt, pepper, and soy sauce.
Step 2. Sear chicken.
Cook chicken in a hot pan until browned.
Step 3. Add veggies.
Stir in broccoli, peppers, carrots, or any vegetables you like.
Step 4. Add sauce.
Mix soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and honey and pour over everything.
Step 5. Simmer.
Let everything cook together until the sauce thickens.
Step 6. Serve.
Serve over rice or noodles.
Ingredients. Chicken stir fry.
You'll need 2 boneless chicken breasts, thinly sliced, 2 cups mixed vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, etc., 2 tablespoons oil, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey or brown sugar, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, 1/4 cup water or broth, cooked rice or noodles for serving.
Step 1. Saute onions.
Cook chopped onions in butter until soft.
Step 2. Add garlic.
Add minced garlic and cook for a minute.
Step 3. Add tomatoes.
Pour in canned crushed tomatoes and stir well.
Step 4. Add broth.
Pour in vegetable broth and bring to a simmer.
Step 5. Add cream and basil.
Stir in heavy cream and fresh chopped basil.
Step 6. Serve.
Serve warm with extra basil on top.
Ingredients. Tomato basil cream soup.
You'll need 1 tablespoon butter or oil, 1 medium onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 2 cups vegetable broth, 1/2 3/4 cup heavy cream or half and half, 1/4 cup fresh basil, chopped, or 1-2 teaspoons dried basil, salt and pepper to taste.